Note, if I get 3 Luxardo cherries with any old fashioned, I'm pretty much probably gonna be happy, even if the old fashioned isn't that great, just because I'm a massive fan of Luxardo cherries. Virginia is for Grubbers. Today we are in Lovettsville, Virginia, and we are at 1836 Kitchen and Taproom. You can see it right there, 1836 Kitchen and Taproom, again, right here in Lovettsville. It's my first time here. We'll jump right into it. Here we go. You guys know how this works. Old Fashioned Friday, 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance of the restaurant. They do have the single cube, clutch. They got 2 Luxardo cherries, clutch. Note, if I get 3 Luxardo cherries with any old fashioned, I'm pretty much probably gonna be happy, even if the old fashioned isn't that great, just because I'm a massive fan of Luxardo cherries. Single cube, it is the cloudy cube, not the clear ice, but still, nonetheless, single cube. Little orange, nice sized glass. Nothing too fancy, but good enough. So I'm gonna go 2.5 off appearance, and here we go, first sip. Cheers. My camera just cut off as I was doing the first sip. I did the first sip, good. They have, their old fashioned is called the 1836 old fashioned, you know, hence 1836 Kitchen Tap Room. Doesn't say what kind of bourbon, but they have their own house-made bitters, simple syrup, and orange and Luxardo cherries. So simple, again, don't go too crazy on the old fashions. Keep it classic, keep it clean. First sip, solid, a little bit on the sweeter side. I'm a big fan of sweets, but this is a little bit too sweet for my liking, but still decent. I'm gonna go 2.2 first sip, and here we go overall. Again, very good, just a little sweet. If you like sweet drinks, if you've never had an old fashioned and you like sweet drinks, might be a good place to come to kind of warm up to get to that old fashioned, I guess, level, if you would say. I just pounded that in like 1 minute, and I've only eaten once today, so this is probably gonna smack me across the face. Taste is very consistent, which I think is great. And again, the single cube, so it's not watered down. I'm gonna go same score, 2.2. And then as far as overall ambiance, again, my first time here, has a nice kind of small town feel to the restaurant itself. I also ate dinner here, the food was great. I would definitely come back. We'll go 0.8 on overall ambiance. I think that's, what is that, 3.52 plus 2.5, 7.7? I think we're at 7.7, is that right? 7.7, 1836 Kitchen and Tap Room out here in Lovettsville, Virginia. If you live in Lovettsville or you know a lot of places in and around Lovettsville and you have any other recommendations, please leave them in the comments below. Definitely would like to find more kind of hidden gems, if you will. And as always, guys, if you're not liking or following Virginia's for Grubbers, please hit that like and follow button right now. And we appreciate you guys. Cheers.